Hey, it's already recording.
Okay.
You know, baby.
And he don't know it's hot.
No.
Okay, babe, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Please, why? Why?
This is fun.
It's boiling hot!
Ah!
That felt good.
He said, ooh, that felt good. Are you ready to come in, Sudsy? Never.
He's having fun out there.
Well, you gonna see something that he ain't gonna like?
Okay, baby.
That's it, Mom.
That front is harder than that.
Okay, Mom.
Look, he jumped when he heard the door creak. Baby, don't ever delete these, okay? Can we post these videos on my Facebook and on MySpace?
Hey, what's the flower at?
Oh!
That's messed up.
It's in here.
Oh wow.
Oh, no, it's this.
That's the flower.
You should make him wash your car with that butt.
You done? You ready to come in? You like it out there?
He's trying to taste the
Go there first. Alright, I'm good now.
This nigga drinking the water.
Move, Joe.
He's drinking the water.
He knows you got some.
He don't have nothing.
What?
Ah!
Well, let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see.
Ah, I thought you were doing him a face.
I was gonna do it in his face, it's just...
This kid.
Is that what seconds? He's not gonna see me coming.
Chill out! Oh, slap me with it!
Why'd you slap him, Harry?
You got some flour in the cherry.
He looks like Tiger Woods.
He's still dancing too. We can't stop the dance.
He's just dumb, man.
This kid.
He can see, look, he can see.
This kid is comical.
Sort of feel sorry for him.
All right, the fun's over.
Just press stop and that's it.